YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Be So Fitted. I am back again with yet another video, and today's video is actually gonna be an unboxing slash review and on-foot look on the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 in the Arzareth colorway. Normally you guys hear me say I'm not too excited to talk about a pair of Yeezys, but let me tell you, I've never owned a pair of V3 700s, and this is my first one. And with that in mind, I'm very excited. These are going straight to feet, so hence you guys are gonna get an on-foot look with a bunch of different styled outfits. Oh, and real quick, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. That would do me a huge solid. I'm trying to blow up and make something out of this YouTube thing. So again, if you guys could subscribe to my channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. And if you guys haven't already, check out my most recent video. That is the Union Jordan 4 Guava Ice unboxing and on-foot look. That, without a doubt, is my best work yet. So go ahead and head over to the channel after this and then check it out. But with that being said, let me give you guys this up-close look, follow that up with the on-foot look, wrap up the video, and then we'll be on our way. Let's get it, yo. Let's get this up-close look out of the way. Right here, you got a standard brown Yeezy box, nothing crazy except it says 700 instead of your usual 350. There's no boost, but here we got the description tag right here, personal size 12, Yeezy 700 V3, Arzareth. I don't understand why they keep cutting it short, but yeah, it's supposed to say Arzareth color, and then you got the barcode right there, made by Adidas. Adidas logo on the bottom of the box. On the other side, Yeezy 700 made by Adidas, nothing crazy, yo. And then you got your standard Yeezy pull-out box, pull-out game strong. Let's check it out. Again, with the wrapping paper, the tissue is nice and plain, nothing crazy. But then we got the kicks right here. And then it came with an extra set of normal laces. These are black normal rope laces right here. And then the aglet is finished off in a nice low coated plastic. Very nice. And then we got the other shoe right here. Now let's check these out up close. All right, y'all. So again, we got the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 in the Arzareth colorway. I did a little bit of research and I actually found out that Arzareth translates to land beyond the Great River. I don't know why the hell Kanye decides to go with these funky names, but I mean, hey, it stands out and you can tell exactly what it is. It'd be nice if it were in English though, because I honestly don't know what the hell these mean sometimes, but yeah, it stands out, that's for damn sure. As you guys can see, the flash is on. You can see the reflective stripes going along the side of the tongue right there. And then you've got a rubber toe box. Now let's check out the materials on the shoe real quick. You've got priming all around the shoe, and then it is covered in this rubber translucent glow-in-the-dark skeleton looking overlayer. Not really exactly sure how to describe it. But then you've got a rubber toe right here resembling the Wave Runners. And then instead of your typical Yeezy boost material, they decided to replace that with EVA foam. Not sure if that's supposed to be an abbreviation for something, but yeah, there's no boost exposed here. Then you've got your 700 herringbone traction pattern right there, translucent, nice touch. And then again, this glows in the dark right here, nice and cushiony around the ankle area. And then it kind of sits behind your foot like that and kind of settles in. That way it fits like a sock. So pretty nice touch. You've got your usual rope lacing, except it is infinite lacing. So as you can see right here, it's got this little rubber piece in the middle of the lacing. As you slide it off, you can see it's nice and stitched together. So if you were to take this infinity lacing off, you'd have to cut it off. Unfortunately, there's no other way around it. So if I end up doing that, I'm gonna cut it right around where the stitched part is and then slide on the extra black rope laces right here, just so that I'm able to tie my shoes and loosen it or whatnot. But I think I'm gonna wear these as slip-ons because that's what Kanye intended. These are supposed to be a chillin' shoe. Typical dad wave runner kind of vibe. They decided to knock off $100 off the retail price of the V3s compared to your V2s and V1 700s. Replacing boost, and let me tell you, I'd rather have the $100 off replacing the boost with EVA foam than paying an extra $100 for some material that's not even all that much comfortable. Now let's check out the padded inserts right here. You've got an Ortholite insert, Yeezy and Adidas right there. Really plain, but I like the bottom. I like the colors, and it seems like it's going to be very comfortable. Very high quality padding right here. Ortholite right there. So pretty smart decision by Adidas. And again, I like how they decided to stand out and use all these creative colors for the bottom of the insert. And then you've got the inside of the shoe. You got one small little hole right there with, as you can see, the EVA foam exposed right there by that little hole. Typically you'd see the Boost, but nope, it's EVA foam. And then on the inside of the shoe, it's well stitched. And then you've got this cast-like material that is very soft. Very nice detailing. Again, I'm a huge fan of the colors that they used. Hence, I actually copped these on the Adidas Confirmed app. That's something new that they're doing, and they decided to bring back the Confirmed app. So very pleased, very happy. Now let me compare this with the actual Wave Runners itself. The overall shape of the shoe is very similar. So right here, the V3s are a futuristic look, and then you've got your vintage 90s and 80s retro look with the Wave Runners right there. Again, you've got your Boost right there, and then it's exposed all along the bottom. They decided to take the same approach except expose the EVA foam. Herringbone traction pattern, like I said, that's something that they kept the same, except the Adidas logo is on the bottom of the shoe, kind of disrespectful, so they decided to put that on the back of the heel. So nice little variation. Very excited to rock these. Not much to be said about the V3s except they're a dope shoe, man. So with that being said, let me give you guys this on foot look so you guys can get some ideas of how to style it or whether or not you want to pay resale for them, and then we'll be on our way. Let's check this out. Quick, I just want to give you an update on sizing. First and foremost, these are pretty comfortable. They feel similar to the Wave Runners in my opinion, and I haven't even broken them in. If you guys have ever tried on the Wave Runners, the OGs, or possibly the V2s, I'm not sure if they fit exactly the same, but the V1s for sure, at first I was like, damn, these are really tight, but then once I broke them in, they started to get that loose little feeling. These fit more like a sock, so I'm not entirely sure if that'll have the same effect once you break them in. But for all my wide footers out there, I do recommend getting half a size up because these are pretty snug. Again, they fit like a sock. For anyone who has narrow feet like myself, go true to size, you'll be chilling. And as far as comfortability, the EVA foam is pretty solid. Again, the Boost doesn't make $100 difference in my opinion, so to knock off $100 and replace it with EVA foam, which isn't even all that much of a difference, yeah, sign me up for that. I'll go that route any day of the week. Again, if you guys are wondering, would I pay resale for these? Honestly, guys, yes, I would. And you guys know I typically don't say that about a Yeezy, but granted, this is a V3 and I've never owned a pair, and I struck out on the OGs. I honestly am a huge fan of this. You know, they don't typically make blues look this good on a shoe, but again, I'm a huge fan. So if you can get this for anywhere from $375 to about $430 and you have the money for it and you guys have been wanting a V3, then by all means pull the trigger because these will only rise in value. Again, I don't typically say that about a Yeezy, but this one is just different, man. And if you guys have never held a pair of V3s, get yourself a pair and get your hands on a pair, man, because these are sick.
All right, YouTube, as far as the unboxing, review, and on-foot look goes at the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 in the Arzareth colorway, that is pretty much all I had to say about the shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you guys found it helpful, please give me a huge thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, because there's much more content coming to you guys in the near future. I'm very excited to see where the channel takes us from here. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. That's the end of the video. It's your boy B So Fit is signing off. Only way is up. Stay saucy for me. We out, baby. Gotta show love to queer right here. Let's get it.